Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of altchains. If you've ever wondered what altchains are and how they differ from traditional blockchains, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. So, what exactly are altchains? The term altchain refers to alternative blockchains that exist alongside the original blockchain, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. While these foundational blockchains have paved the way for the crypto revolution, altchains offer unique features, functionalities, and improvements. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button before we continue. Altchains can be designed for specific use cases, such as faster transaction speeds, lower fees, or enhanced privacy. They often aim to solve limitations found in the original blockchains. Let's look at some popular altchains. Binance Smart Chain, BSC. Known for its low transaction fees and fast confirmation times, BSC is ideal for DeFi projects and dApps. Polygon, Matic. This altchain focuses on scaling Ethereum, providing faster and cheaper transactions, while maintaining compatibility with Ethereum's ecosystem. Solana, Sol. Solana is designed for high throughput and low latency, making it perfect for applications requiring quick transactions, like gaming and DeFi. Avalanche, AVAX. This platform allows developers to create custom blockchains and dApps, emphasizing speed and flexibility. So, why should you care about altchains? Here are a few key benefits. Scalability. Altchains often handle more transactions per second than their predecessors, reducing congestion. Lower fees. Many altchains offer significantly lower transaction fees, making them more accessible for everyday users. Customization. Developers can create tailored solutions to meet specific needs, whether it's for gaming, finance, or supply chain management. Interoperability. Some altchains are designed to work alongside existing blockchains, enhancing cross-chain functionality. However, it's essential to be aware of the risks associated with altchains. Not all altchains are created equal. Some may lack the security and decentralization that established blockchains offer. Always do your research before investing or using services on any altchain. Camera back on host with a friendly smile. And there you have it. Altchains are an exciting part of the crypto landscape, offering innovative solutions and new opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.